This is fifth experiment in data structure to demonstrate the work of a static and a queue using a linked list. Then here class node define hint self dot data. Then self dot data is equals to data. Then self dot next is equals to none. You have to equalize the self data as a data and self dot next is none. Then afterwards class stacked ds define hint self dot top is equals to none. Define push self dot data new node is equals to node data. If new node is not equals to none, then print stack is full. Here define the push node if node is equals new node is equals to node data. If new node is not equals to none, then print you have to print that that is as stack is full. Then afterwards return to new node dot next is equals to self dot top is equals to new node. After that new node, then define pop or self. If self dot top is none, then print stack is empty. If p is self dot top else self dot top dot none, then self dot top is equals to self dot top dot next. Define p and return then define display self p is equals to self dot top. If self dot top is none, then print stack is to be empty, like stack to be empty. Then return while p is not none, print p dot data p is equals to p next. Then afterwards class q ds define hint self dot front is equals to none, self dot rear is equals to none. Then you have to define it the enqueue self dot data new node is equals to node data. If new node is none, then define enqueue self dot data is equals to new node is equals to node data. Then this is new data of if new node is none. If you have to check here new node is none, then print q is full. Return to if self dot front is none, self dot none, self dot front is equals to new node. Then self dot rear is equals to new node. Return self dot rear dot next is equals to new node. Self dot rear is equals to new node. Define decute self. If self dot front is none, then print q is empty. Then return first we have taken here stack is full, then stack is empty, and afterwards stack is empty and q is fulfilled. Then afterwards q is empty. After that q is empty again. P is equals to self dot front. If self dot front is not equals to self dot rear, self dot front is equals to self dot rear equals to none. Then x is equals to p dot data del return to x. If p is self dot front, then self dot front is equals to self dot front dot next. Then you have to take the q data x is equals to p dot data, then del p return to x. Then define the display to be self. If self dot front is none, print q is empty. Then return afterwards p is p is self dot friend, while p is not none. If you have take p is not none means print p is the data of otherwise p is equals to p naught. Then given stack is fn, s is equals to stack ds, while it is 1, if means print it is push, otherwise pop, otherwise third as display, and fourth as exit. If character is equals to hint input, enter your choice, you have to enter a choice. If character is not equals to 1, push hint input, enter the data. Here you have to enter the data. After else character is not equals to 2, x is equals to s dot front. If x is not none, print x is popped out of the stack. Else if character is equals to, is not equals to 3, s is to be displayed, else break. Here character is not equals first 1, and character is not equals to then 2, character is not equals to 3, then if else means break. That's it.